this and the Death Star, the Death
Show him.
and him, and go in here and him. And these, my man got the pack, and him, then goes over here, and Princess the area, him the different one, and him goes in here, him got the other one, and the him goes in here, and this one goes in here, and the blue bird goes here. Him the only one you will get him pack, and this bear you will get him pack for every pack you'll get, and the big pack you back here. You got all the other packs.
What are their names?
And the yellow bird,
Han Solo?
Han Solo, and the other Han Solo, and the real bird, and the pig, and the bear, and Princess Leia, him the ones, him they got the circle things in here. You'll get the pack.
Yeah.
And back here, show you the pack, the other ones, and I got this one, goes right there, and I got that there, go right there, and Han Solo bird, he goes right here,
And then the Stormtrooper?
the Stormtrooper.
Yeah.
Who's the Stormtrooper? I can name the Stormtrooper. And
Which one's the Stormtrooper? Okay.
that's the Stormtrooper. And the other, and got another one, goes him, who got stuck. And you'll get him for every pack. You'll get 12 one of these.
Yeah. So you gotta get 12?
We got only 12 in the big pack. And the two bears,
Chewbacca.
the two, and the pig, the bird, it goes in here, and him, and the new bird, pig, and two pigs, and the bird.
Which one's your favorite?
This one is my favorite, and this one my favorite.
Which ones? Say their names.
Wait. Hey, these.
Which ones are they?
This one, the Ute Walker. This
Oops.
one, the Princess Leia. And the Princess Leia.
Princess Leia's your favorite?
Yeah,
And which one else?
this one.
Let me see. We'll show the camera.
This one, him. It's Darth Vader.
Darth
That's my
Vader.
two favorite.
Princess Leia and Darth Vader are your favorites?
Yeah. I got one of these two stuff in my Yakto.
Okay. Hey, look at the camera. And what's your name?
David.
Look at the camera.
You gotta look at the camera. And
My name is David. And I
okay.
got these packs.
Okay.